Cream, Illadelph, went through hell. Why can't I quit the vaping? Was it all the raping? Was it all escaping? With the drugs I was taking? Smoking, popping, upper, skipping supper, popping downers, can't even shower. Man, addiction stole my power. Man, it's cream, she's sweet and sour. Pack a punch, 5'3", naturally, just snacking lunch. Cute and crazy, but a girl getting munched. Time crunch, time flying like them Boeings. Trying a different path, a new direction that I'm going to and froing. Soothed with knowing that the Most High Allah knows my heart keeps growing. Healthy seeds I'm sowing, reaping a harvest that I'm new to knowing. A new me now that I'm glowing. Haters throwing shade, but my shine too bright like the sun. My breeze blowing, babe. Yeah, I just wanna have some clean fun. Love myself, baby. There's no one in this world. Allah made me who I am. Cream, cream. Gotta slow down, cause you know now I'm not gonna frown like them clowns. I'm gonna smile every day, try to stay happy, not getting high. No way, I don't need that shit. That shit had me sitting in corners, staying lit like I was gonna be a goner. But now I'm here sitting in the sauna, working out every day. Little snow bunny, she bags cream on the track. Yeah, you know, honey, I'm gonna get my money. I'm gonna keep it sunny, shining like the sky, like them diamonds in your teeth. You know I got a lot of grief. I lost a lot of people, lost them hard. They in the dirt or cremated, man, left me scarred. I'm like, I don't need them bars, I just write them bars. And you know I'm gonna always be shining like a star. It's cream, cream. Her walk is mean, mean. And all these men on me, they fiend, they fiend. And I'm like, yo, just let me be, just let me be, cream.